Thursday, February the 13th, 7:18 a.m. Okay. Alrighty. Guess I'm not going to be using the poles. Okay. First footprint. First footprint in the snow. Okay, first footprint. Woohoo! So it's wide here, but it gets very narrow down there. Down there. The path gets, the trail gets very narrow. But yeah, first footprint in the snow after the storm. Rosedale. David Balfour Park over there towards Sinclair Young. Going downhill. Okay, so I'm going to stop now. I have a ways to go downhill. That will take you downhill. No one has been here as yet. Snow is pristine. No footsteps. No footsteps anywhere. Okay, so there's Black Creek, Yellow Creek. Down at the bottom. So I'm heading that way. Going downhill, heading that way. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now. And stop. Wait.